Hello and welcome to the Fictional Foods course here at the Yokai University, where we are undergoing a little bit of construction today. My name is Chrisella and I've been hired as the head kitchen witch here at the school. In this class, we'll be learning how to turn the imagination into reality. We're going to do this by creating different foods and drinks from fictional works and veganizing everyday recipes. Because I can't tell you how many times someone's told me my food isn't real. For our first class mark, we're heading out of the university kitchen to make a treat that is a classic here in Japan. Today's fictional food was created in the early 1900s and is internationally known for its unique shape and for its appearance in several anime like My Hero Academia and Canon. We are talking about Taiyaki. Tai refers to the fish that the mold emulates, and yaki means grilled or baked. You can fill these waffles with almost anything, but they're usually stuffed with ongo or custard. This grilled snack evolves from imagawa yaki, which only differs in shape and size because Seijiro Kobe was having difficulty selling them and decided to make some changes. Red snapper or tai was very expensive, and it was also considered to be a symbol of luck or fortune. So, by using this shape, Kobe was able to bring a bit of luck and luxury to the common folk on the cheap. And it became so popular that you can even try making them yourself in shops around Tokyo today. And that's just what we are going to do today. But first, let's get changed so we can blend in a little bit better out there. Alright, let's go.
Asakusa Taiyaki Guraku is only a 5-minute walk from Tawaramachi Station in Asakusa and has been open for 5 years now. Not only do they offer the taiyaki making experience we'll have today, but they have a kakigori experience as well. This little shop is easy to find on the street and sells takeaway snacks for those who only want to experience the joy of eating. The tables for making taiyaki are large, but there are only 3. Be sure to make a reservation in advance just in case it's busy. We started the experience by going over what I could eat as a vegan and came up with 4 fillings: sweet potato, red bean paste, matcha paste, and apple cinnamon. The apple and potato usually come with honey, so we ordered without. Guests can usually make up to 6 taiyaki per person, but to get an even amount of each flavour, we're making 12. Now it's time to watch a lovely 5-minute-ish video about taiyaki and its history. Then we get our hands a little dirty by mixing 300 grams of water, and 200 grams of sifted flour per person into a batter. Once that's done, it's time to pour the batter into a funnel and practice portioning the filling while the mold heats up. When it's ready, we'll fill 1/3 of half the fish mold with batter and spread it until it spills a little outside of the fish. Let's put that practice from earlier to use and fill these taiyaki with onko and sweet potato. And fill the other half of the fish with batter too. To finish them off, we'll close the mold and set a timer to let them cook for 3 minutes. This might be obvious, but when they're done, the taiyaki will be hot, so please protect your hands. And if 2 pieces are stuck together, just use a pair of scissors to cut them apart. Our second batch of taiyaki has the matcha paste and cinnamon apples with matcha dough, which we made simply by adding some matcha water into the batter. If you're like us and you want a few to take away for later, you'll get some easy to follow instructions boxed up with your sweets so you can enjoy them at home. But you also have the option of eating them fresh in the shop.
Okay, so let's give them a try. We've got 4 different flavors. We have a sweet potato, just sweet potato. Usually it comes with honey, but no honey for us. We have a red bean paste, the classic. We've got one, all of these are matcha in the dough, and one has a matcha paste filling. And one of the other ones is apple cinnamon. So let's put our taiyaki in the paper. We've been given a very special gift. Some lovely hats. So yeah, let's put one on. My face is a little big with my glasses, so it doesn't fit right, but let's try our first one. Okay. Just sweet potato, but it's good. The dough did get a little soft. I do want to save some of these for a reopening of the university party. So I'll freeze them and retoast them and split them up. But yeah, it's sweet potato, it's good. I'll probably make a little sauce to go with it, yeah. Couldn't get this one on without taking off my glasses. But let's try one of the matcha ones next. It's matcha matcha. Normally I avoid matcha because I'm not supposed to have a lot of caffeine, but I'm hoping that since I don't have a lot of caffeine normally, I'll be okay. We're risking it, but it tastes good. It tastes really good. This one is going to be our regular Uncle red bean paste. Usually there are 2 kinds of red bean paste. One is smooth and one is chunky, and this one is chunky, which is the one I like, so it's good. And our final apple cinnamon matcha. It's literally just apples dusted with cinnamon, toasted inside. Alright, if I had to rate them, I would give apple cinnamon is on the bottom, and then the sweet potato is above that, and then is the red bean paste, and then is the matcha. I'm really surprised. I really like the matcha. This is unprecedented. So I'm going to enjoy these. And if you're in Tokyo, please come here, enjoy the experience of making taiyaki, and share some with your friends. Enjoy the experience of eating taiyaki. Thank you so much for joining us again in our class today, Fictional Foods. We hope you've enjoyed today's experience and that you'll come back to our next class for another one. Please tell us how you felt about this class and let us know what kinds of foods you'd like to learn how to make. Also, don't forget, if you miss one of our courses here at the university, there are audio recordings as well that you can listen to, and extra materials and extended lessons which you can find linked in your syllabus down below. But for now, please enjoy your day, eat well, and class dismissed.